Gross direct tax collection for the financial year 2022-23 stood at 19.68 lakh crore rupees, registering a growth of over 20%. President Draupadi Murmu has called for imparting education in Indian languages. She said this while speaking at the 36th convocation of the Indira Gandhi National Open University in New Delhi. In Jharkhand, 5 Naxalites were killed in an encounter between CRPF security forces and members of CPI Maoists in Lavalong police station area on Palamu-Chhatra district border. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed happiness over the emergence of Northeast as a top tourist destination. In a tweet today, Prime Minister Modi said, "Increased tourism means increased prosperity in the region." India and Netherlands held their first ministerial level meeting of the Joint Working Group in New Delhi yesterday.